Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor 4x4 and today I have for you the 2019 Ford Ranger Wildtrak in a lovely orange colour for you. This does come to you at 42,000 miles, 5 leather seats, as well as the front two being heated for you, as well as them also being electric. Now this does also come with a 6-speed manual transmission, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive and also low range, as well as air conditioning, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, satellite navigation, cruise control on there, as well as voice assist on the steering wheel. And if I did just show you the 3 rear seats, you can also see they do come with that lovely Wildtrak theming embroidery in them. Pop this damage up, an armrest and 2 cup holders for the comfort of the rear passengers. And just down here we do have 150 watt mains power, as well as a 12 volt there as well for you. Now this does come with parking sensors and also a camera hidden just underneath the Ford badge at the back just here. And even though this is a crew cab pickup, there is still plenty of room in the bed at the back here with a lovely chrome cover on top. Now, if you would like to find out more about this Ford Ranger Wildtrak, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorcars.co.uk or anchorvans.co.uk. It's up to you. Both are linked in the description if you're watching this on YouTube, or if not, you can always head over to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, to discuss more with our salesman. You never know, one day this vehicle could be working for you.